Every time when a cool surface encounters warmer air, condensate water evolves. In this case, no consequential damages occur. The same scenario could happen with a building. If warm air encounters a colder wall, the air cools down and condensate water appears. This could lead to negative consequences, as mold formation, damaged walls, and unhealthy living climate. For prevention, condensate water should be avoided in apartments and basements. AirBase is a perfect system for keeping basements dry, especially if there are no windows available for natural ventilation. The system consists of several compatible components: filter trays for air exhaust, and a central ventilation unit, a filter box for air supply, a central ventilation unit, and multiple filter trays. An outdoor sensor for controlling AirBase, one or more indoor sensors, and one control unit. In addition, of course, the necessary piping. The AirBase system only turns on ventilation if the indoor humidity level surpasses the outdoor level. Now, let us take a look about how the AirBase system works. Every basement room is potentially at risk for emerging humidity. In this case, the laundry room is the most likely area for humidity. Central ventilation unit is effectively exhausting air and extracting humidity from the room via multiple filter trays and a central ventilation unit. To avoid negative air pressure, fresh, dry air is supplied through a filtered pipeline network. Multiple sensors determine the humidity levels from outdoor and also critical indoor areas, which are most likely to generate humidity. In this case, one sensor in the area of the laundry dryers and another one at the end of the cellar compartments. The control unit should be stored in the electric distributor. It compares the measured data from the outdoor and indoor sensors. AirBase is controlled automatically. If the indoor humidity level surpasses outdoor humidity, the system automatically turns on ventilation until both humidity levels are equal. The electric monitoring is active 24/7 at every weather condition. AirBase always ensures dry basement rooms and appropriate ventilation. AirBase, an innovative development from Limodor.